Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get a lovely journal for free and how to use it. So this is the journal in question. Basically you can see it's nice and clean. We have, boom, here. This is an example of how it will look. So with this one, you see I put the highest time frame version, which is what I use in my model. This was a loss, sadly. Not good. And a very bad one too. Not really sure what I was thinking here, but yeah, you can see this later down the line, down here. Reason for trade. Awful trade. Awful trade. Awful trade, to be honest. Had LRLR below, which I was not aware of, and the inversion was pretty awful. And not only that, the trade was taken in the middle of a load of chop. There we go. Also bearish S&T, perfect sell setup. Probably one of the worst trades I've ever taken. Right, brilliant. So that's probably not the best one to showcase that, but anyway, this is how it will look. Very nice. You can go in, change stuff, look back on it 6 months later, which I think this one probably is actually roughly around that. So you can go back, go through, see what you did wrong, as here. Yeah, pretty bad. So now that's done, let me show you how to get it. Right, so you want to come over to my Instagram. Now with my Instagram, you can go to any video or any even post, and you just want to literally comment the word, try to type with one hand here, journal. Okay, and once you've typed journal, I will send you a message which will send you a link to my Discord. Now once you have got the Discord, you want to join and then move over to the free resources tab. Once you've moved over to the free resources tab, you need to follow this link here, which is the obviously journal template, and this is going to take you to this page. Now this page is the landing page. So essentially what that is this is the Notion. So it will open up Notion and it will bring you to the Kieran's Trading Journal template page. Now to get this into your journal or into your Notion, what you need to do, go to this and it will say like import to or like save as template. Okay, so that's that. Now once you've done this, you want to come over to the journal, and here is the magic. I'm going to put my microphone down. There we go. So now you have this, right? You've got the 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour daily. Now these can change. These aren't set. You don't have to use this. You might use different times for yours, but I just like to sort of go through these time frames for my model particularly. You've got a reason for trade, and then what went well and improvements. You're only going to improve if you do your trades and then realize your improvements. Simple. So there we go. How do we transfer and get that nice look here, like this? Okay, what you want to do is we go to MNQ or any chart you use. This is a trade I took today, just a nice 1-to-1 RR, and to journal this trade you would just, for me personally, I have it on my mouse. If you're on Windows, you want to get up like a screen grab, so like a snippy tool, but for me I've coded it to my mouse so I can just click, it'll pull up this. Hopefully it doesn't freeze my OBS, and if it has then I'll show you why I'm in. So you screenshot it, boom, and it will give you that nice ding, and then you come over to back testing or the journal. There we go. So what you want to do is you put in the date, which today is the 2nd of December, add icon, win, and you go win plus, and then however much you made. Okay, so let's just say for example this one was 3,000, right? Then on the 1 minute, you want to paste, depending on what time frame you're on. So this one obviously was the 1 minute, so I'm going to paste the 1 minute chart there. How amazing and how easy is that? So yeah, that's pretty much how you use the journal. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know a lot of people keep asking for it, so yeah, I hope this has cleared some stuff up. And yeah, if you do just want to join the Discord in general, please feel free, because yeah, we're definitely growing. I think we're on probably like 2.3 members, 2.3k members now, so pretty hard. Yeah, leave a comment if this helped, or if you have any questions, just drop a comment.